A new career opportunity announcement from Copland Keebler and Wallace. Bay Harbor Yacht Club, a member-owned private club on Lake Michigan's Little Traverse Bay near Petoskey, offers an exceptional leadership opportunity for a general manager chief operating officer. The club has grown significantly, highlighted by a $13.5 million renovation, and features a 100-slip deep-water marina, private beach and pool, racket sports, bocce, and extensive year-round family programming. Members enjoy multiple dining venues, world-class events, and a 10,000-square-foot wellness center with fitness, spa, and golf simulator. Additional amenities include an aquatic center, children's camps, and vibrant seasonal activities. The ideal candidate will bring a proven track record within private clubs, hospitality, luxury service, or destination environments where member expectations are high and attention to detail matters. This individual must be a trusted leader, capable of strengthening organizational culture, elevating hospitality standards, maintaining financial discipline, and building a cohesive leadership team focused on service excellence. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Copland Keebler and Wallace website under current openings.